Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see in a show height chart and buttons, how we can highlight the selected button. So let's say here right now you can see that the show quantity chart has been selected. That's why it is getting highlighted. The other one is not. If I select the show sales chart, then the show sales chart actually get highlighted. So how we can achieve this, and it is quite helpful. So when we have the multiple charts, because they are quite look similar if I don't highlight these things. So, and I can also show that how you cannot actually but without having the title, you cannot recognize which chart has been selected. So I just created one more thing. If you see here, this is the same thing that I was talking about. I have created like sum of quantity by chart actually has been selected, but how you can recognize without knowing the title name. But let's say, and the same for this thing. So let's say how we can achieve these things. Let's get started for this. For this, we need the button, the same kind of a button we need require other things. So I just can copy paste it actually. And sorry, just and I have created the duplicates of these things. Now let's select selection and the bookmark. Mm, I've selected this one, so let me do one thing. HIGHL highlight. So I will just rename it like this, and this is the one, and rename it. So it's quite easy. And what I can do at the same time, I will just do the coloring of these things. I can just go to the fill. I can select the red color here. Transparency, I can select the border as well. The same thing with zero weight, 100% transparency, and format paint the same thing here also. Now we need to group it into the same thing. So let's select the sales and sales by highlight. Let's group it up into one. You see here, let's rename it to sales group. Now let's select the quantity sorry, and quantity, and let's group it up into quantity group. Quantity group. Now we have all these things. Now what we want to make it align in the same overlap each other. So how we can do this thing? First, click on this, go to general properties and position. 149 is the position. We can do same for this thing as well. 149, and let me do one thing for this one also. Sales highlight general 149. Now what we need to do, since we have already selected the show shell chart, we should hide this the red one. So what I need to do, highlight one, I need to click on that the show video this side, and I need to go to sales bookmark and update it. Now this has been done. Now I select the quantity one, and the same thing needs to be done for quantity as well. In the sales group sales highlight, I need to close this eye, go to quantity bookmark and update it. Now it's done. If you see, this is done. So this helps a lot when you are actually working on multiple bookmarks, and this is the one of the way that actually you can highlight this thing. I prefer this way. It's quite easy to maneuver things, and hope you like this video. Follow for more Power BI updates for creating show height buttons based on the selected chart. You can watch my video here, and thank you so much.